Good morning, sir. Welcome to the City Transport Information Center. My name is Emma. How can I help you today?
Good morning, Emma. My name is David. I would like to get some information about buying a bus pass, please.
You have certainly come to the right place. I can help you with that. Are you a visitor to our city, or have you recently moved here?
I have just moved here for a new job. I will be living here for at least a few years. I don't have a car, so I will be using the bus to commute to work every day.
I see. In that case, buying a bus pass is a very smart and economical decision. It will be much cheaper than buying a single ticket every day.
That is what I was thinking. The daily cost of 2 single tickets would add up very quickly over a whole month. A pass seems like the best solution.
So, what kind of bus passes do you offer? I am completely new to the system, so I would appreciate it if you could explain the different options to me.
Of course, I would be happy to walk you through our main products. We have three main types of passes for regular commuters. We have a weekly pass, a monthly pass, and an annual pass.
A weekly, a monthly, and an annual pass. Okay. I assume the annual pass is the best value if you use it for the whole year?
That is correct. If you buy a pass for 12 months, you get a significant discount. It is a big payment to make at one time, but it saves you money in the long run.
I might consider that in the future, but for now, I am just settling in. What about the weekly pass?
The weekly pass is great for people who are visiting for a short time or for people who only need to use the bus for one specific week. It is valid for 7 consecutive days.
I see. So the weekly pass is not right for me because I will be commuting every week. And the annual pass is a big commitment for now. So I think the monthly pass sounds like the best option for me.
I agree. The monthly pass is our most popular option for residents who commute regularly. It offers a great balance of value and flexibility.
Could you please tell me a little more about how the monthly pass works?
Of course, a monthly pass gives you unlimited travel on all city bus routes for one full calendar month. So, for example, if you buy a pass for October, it will be valid from October 1st until October 31st.
Unlimited travel. So that means I can use it for my commute to work, but also on the weekends to travel around the city.
That is exactly right. You can use it as many times as you want, any day of the week, at any time of day, within the specific month.
The monthly pass sounds perfect for my needs. It will give me the freedom to explore the city on my days off. So, how much does a monthly pass cost?
The cost of the monthly pass depends on the number of travel zones you need. The city is divided into different zones, and the price increases the more zones you need to travel through.
Zones. I see. I did not know about that. How do I figure out how many zones I need?
It is very simple. We just need to know where your journey starts and where it ends. Can you please tell me the address of your home and your workplace?
Of course. I live at 15 River Street, and my office is at 450 Central Avenue, downtown.
Thank you. Let me just look that up
on our zone map. Okay, I can see that your home is in Zone 2 and your workplace is in Zone 1. So you will be traveling through two zones for your daily commute. You will need a Zone 1 and 2 pass.
So, because you need to travel through two zones, the price for your monthly pass will be $60.
$60 for a full month of unlimited travel. That seems like a very reasonable price. It is much better than buying single tickets every day.
It is a very good value. Now, before we proceed, I just need to ask if you are eligible for any of our discounts.
You offer discounts? That is good to know. What are the different discount categories?
We offer a reduced price for several groups. We have a student discount for full-time students. We have a senior citizen discount for people over the age of 65. And we also have a discount for people with a certified disability.
I see. That is a very good system. Unfortunately, I do not think I qualify for any of those categories. I will need to buy the standard full-price adult pass. So, I am ready to buy a standard adult monthly pass for zones 1 and 2. What do I need to do now?
Because this is the first time you are buying a monthly pass, we need to create a photo ID card for you. This is a permanent, reusable card that your pass will be loaded onto each month.
A photo ID card. So it will have my name and my picture on it.
That is correct. This is to ensure that only you can use your pass. The pass is non-transferable. To create the card, I will need you to fill out this short application form, please.
Okay, it looks very simple. It is just asking for my full name, my date of birth, and my home address. I can fill this out right now.
Please take your time, and while you are filling out the form, I will also need to see a proof of your address, like a utility bill or a rental agreement, just for this first time.
I have my rental agreement right here in my bag. I was told I might need it. Here you go. And here is the completed application form.
Thank you very much, David. This is all perfect. Now, the final step to create your photo ID card is to take your photograph.
You will take my photo right now? Here at the counter? I was not prepared for that. I hope I look okay.
You look perfectly fine. Please don't worry. It is just a simple headshot, like a passport photo. We have a small digital camera right here on the counter.
Okay. I am ready for my close-up then. Where should I look?
Could you please look directly into the camera lens right here? And could you please give me a neutral expression? No big smiles, please. Just a relaxed, natural look. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. We have the photo. I have your photo, and I am now printing your new City Transport Photo ID card. It will just take about a minute.
That is a very efficient system. While we are waiting, could you please explain to me how I actually use the card when I get on the bus?
Of course, it is a smart card with a chip inside, so it is very easy to use. On every city bus, right next to the driver, there is a small electronic card reader.
I think I have seen those. It is a small black box with a screen.
That is the one. When you board the bus, you just need to tap your card on the sensor area of the reader. You don't need to insert it, just hold it flat against the machine for a second.
And what will happen when I tap it?
You will hear a positive beep sound, and a green light will appear on the screen. This means your pass is valid, and you can just find a seat. You do not need to show anything to the driver.
Just tap the card on the reader.
That sounds very simple and fast. It will make getting on the bus much quicker.
It does. It helps to keep the buses running on schedule. Now, I have another important question for you. What should I do if I lose my bus pass?
That is a very important question. Losing a traditional paper pass can be a real problem because anyone can use it, and you have to buy a new one at full price.
I was worried about that. A $60 pass is an expensive thing to lose.
But that is the big advantage of our new smart card system. Because your pass is a registered photo ID card, it is much more secure.
How is it more secure?
If you lose your card, you should call us immediately. We can then block the lost card in our system so nobody else can use it. Then you can come here to our office and we can issue you a brand new card with your pass on it for a small replacement fee.
So, if I lose my card, I do not lose the value of my monthly pass. That is a fantastic feature. It gives me a lot of peace of mind.
It is one of the best things about the new system. Okay, your new card is now printed and ready for you. It looks very nice.
It does. My photo is not too bad. Thank you.
I have loaded your first monthly pass for zones 1 and 2 onto the card. It is now active and ready to use. The total cost for today is $60. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my debit card, please. Here it is.
Thank you, David. I am just processing the payment. Okay, it has been approved. Here is your card back, and here is your receipt for the purchase.
Thank you so much for all your help today, Emma. You have explained everything so clearly and patiently.
You are very welcome. It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoy the convenience of your new pass and have a pleasant commute.